Hi everyone, and welcome to week 7 of Writing 213, Writing in the Sciences. I've really been enjoying reading your career research papers. I'm maybe about halfway through with them, so you can look forward to hearing from me by the end of the week. This is a really busy week for me. One of my grant proposals has people from all over the state flying in this week for some important meetings. So hopefully I'll get them back to you in the next few days, but don't stress if you don't. It's just because I'm busy. And I spend a lot of time with your essays. So when you do get response from me, it's your responsibility to make sure that you read carefully through my comments and that you understand them. And I want you to realize that it's not a one-way set of comments. You have the opportunity to reply to any of my comments, to ask questions, to ask for clarification, to request a meeting to talk about it. Make sure that you understand my feedback because that's how you grow as a writer. And I spend a lot of time on the feedback, so please make sure that you give the time to make sure you understand it. So this week we're moving forward with a research essay exploring a problem in your field. This week for media, you are going to identify 2 articles related to your chosen topic, and you will summarize those in an assignment next week. So make sure that you have some articles identified. And again, I highly recommend talking with a research librarian about your topic. When you find really good sources from the beginning, the rest is a lot easier. Just like last time, we'll engage in a large group workshop. I have 2 sample papers here and a set of instructions. So you should read the instructions in the large group workshop, which are the same as last time. You're going to put some comments in the document that focus on what the writer's doing well, what the writer can improve, and then, suggestions for revision and any questions that the text brings up for you. Make sure that if you, actually this date is Thursday. I want everyone to comment at least in every document at least once by Thursday. Please don't respond more than 3 times in one document so that everyone has room to comment. And then make sure that you turn in a summary of your participation, about a half a page, what you noticed, insight you gained, maybe you noticed the way other people are reacting to a piece and you have questions or comments about it. But just think about what's important to you in the piece and you're moving in the right direction. So you'll engage in the large group workshop by the 13th, which is Thursday. And then you also will submit a statement of the problem. And that is due on Friday the 14th. So in your statement of the problem, you're going to identify a problem or a set of problems related to your future career that you're interested in researching. So this can be an extension of your career research project or part of it if you'd like. So you'll have identified 2 scholarly articles or any kind of sources of material that will inform your research. Make sure that you provide full citations in APA style, and that gives me a chance to respond and give you comments on your references before you get to the final paper, and then you're just copying and pasting information in. So remember, we're working towards the research paper, a problem in your field this week, and in this module. You should work on the large group workshop. Make sure you're identifying articles for your project and asking me if you have any questions. I will not be in my office hours on Thursday because of my research project. So if you have questions, send me an email and we can try to schedule at another time. Take care, everyone.